So matrices, you try to understand the concept of matrix. So when we see the concept, the definition of a matrix is a matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers. Rectangular array of numbers, and these numbers can be real and complex, both real or complex. Can be in the real form, or it can be in the iota form, or it can be functions. Can be a number, it can be a function. So if we write like this, and such an array is enclosed by, for example, this, we use these brackets to represent a matrix, or sometimes we use this one also, but mostly we are using these brackets for matrix. And in some books they are using this one also, but rarely this two lines, but one line will be different, that will be determinant. We will study later on about the determinants. So in matrix we are using these brackets, and it is denoted by capital letters always. Matrix is always denoted by uppercase capital letters. Okay, and inside this, it can be the real numbers, it can be the complex number, it can be the functions. Like suppose 2, 3, 5, 7, 2, 1, 8, 2, 5. So like this is the representation of a matrix, and these letters, which we are writing inside the real numbers or complex number of functions, these are called elements. These are called elements of a complex. These are the elements of a matrix, and this is our first row. This is our first row, R1. These are the rows. So you can say this is first row, and generally we are denoting by R1, R2, R3. And this is second row, and this is third row. So these horizontal lines are called rows, and the vertical lines are called columns. So this is C1. These are called columns. So you can say C1, C2, and C3. So this matrix has 3 rows and 3 columns. How many rows it has? 3 rows and 3 columns. It can have 2 rows, 2 columns. It can have 1 row, 1 column. It is depending upon the given matrix. So, and these elements, if you see that this 2, what is this 2? 2 is an element of a matrix. 2 is an element of matrix A. If you see the position of this 2 lies in first row and first row and first column. First row and first column. Okay. So like this, the position of an element, this 5 is in the, what is the position of this 5 is in the third row
and third column.
and third column. So in general, we are denoting, these are the numbers given. If we denote these elements, so usually we are writing, it can be 2 by 2 matrix, 3 rows, 3 columns. So this is 3 by 3. We are considering 3 by 3. You have 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. But in higher classes, we have more matrices. But as in class 12, you have 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 matrices. So if you see that these are denoted by small letters A, B, C, small a. A11 means first row, first column. The position of this is A11, first row, first column, first row, second column, and first row, third column. A11, A12, A13. Okay. Then what will be the position of this Mudassir? A?
Yes, sir.
What will be the position of this element?
Sir, A2, 1.
2, 1. Very good. A21, A22, and A23. That means second row, third column. Similarly, this element is denoted by A31, A32, and A33. Okay. So this matrix has how many rows? 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay. Similarly, we can have different matrices. Like suppose B is a matrix of B11, B12, B21, B22, B31, and B32. So how many rows it has?
3.
3 rows. And how many columns? 2
2.
columns. 3 by 2. We
Two,
used to
sir.
write like this. This is an order of a matrix. So 3 rows, 2 columns. What is the order of matrix B? Order of matrix B is 3 by 2. Means 3 rows and 2 columns. So always just remember that, because when we add, multiply, and many operations we will study. So row, we are giving the preference to row. So first we will write row and then column always. So first number represent the row and second always represent the column. We cannot write opposite, because if you will write 2 by 3, what will be the matrix of 2 by 3? Means 2 rows and 3 columns. Then it will become B11, B12, or C, you can say C, no problem. A, B, C doesn't matter. C1, C2, C12, C13, and C21, C22, and C23. So now how many rows it has? 2 rows and 3 columns, 2 by 3. So this order matters. 2 by 3. What is the order of matrix C? Order of C is 2 by 3. So first number always represent in order row, and second will represent the column. So matrix is used to represent many. It is very vastly used in computers. Computer does the operations in matrices, and simple in many programmings also it is used, and in many fields in commerce also it is used in. So this is the order of a matrix. So we represent, actually it is the very easy way to represent some given conditions, like a shopkeeper sells 5 rings, 8 bracelets, and 10 necklace. So we can represent directly, like here we will write ring and bracelets, necklace, and like this, and we can use the first week he sell 5 rings, 8 bracelets, and 10 necklace, and 11, 6, and 9. So this is the representation of a matrix. Here we are writing this is ring, bracelets, and necklaces, and here we can write the first week. In the first week, what was the sale in the first week, and what was the sale in the second week? Okay, and if we know their suppose rates we know, so we can write another matrix in of rate, and we can multiply. So multiplication will come later on. So we have seen what are elements, how we can represent the elements, and order of a matrix. And generally we are representing, this is in general representation, we are representing Aij, or you can write, if A is a matrix, let A is a matrix of m rows and n columns. So we are representing A is a matrix of Aij, where the number of rows are m and number of columns are n. So like this we can represent it. Yes, any doubt? Anyone is having any doubt, you can ask the question. So this is the representation of matrix. This is the concept of matrix. This inside elements can be functions also. Yes, we can have the functions also, like suppose we can have the complex numbers, we can have the functions like 2 plus 3 iota we can have, and we can have the functions x square, y square, ax plus b, like this also. So this is the representation of a matrix. Now we can have some questions, very easy type of questions. First we have, suppose a matrix is given 2, 5, 19, 35 minus 2, 5 by 2, root 3, 1 and minus 5. So in this matrix, they just ask what, write the order of a matrix. So we can write the order is 3 by 3. Order is what? 3 by 3. And they can ask to write the value of elements. Find the value of elements. Value of elements A23, A31. Suppose. So we can easily find out A23 is 21, 22, 23. A23 is 5 by 2 and A31 is root 3. So it's a simple type of question where matrix is given, they can ask the order and they can ask the value of any element. Next type is, if we have given a, suppose a matrix has, if a matrix, next type of question can be asked like this, if a matrix has 16 elements. How many elements? Has 16 elements. So how many possible, find out the possible orders. What are the possible orders? You have to find the possible orders. Possible orders of the matrix. How many possible matrix of possible orders can be formed by 16 elements? You know that what are the vectors of 16? 16 vectors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So we can have the order 1 by 16. So possible orders are possible order of matrix. We can write 1 by 16 or
Sir, 1:16 can be a possible matrix.
16 into 1. Yes, it is possible. One row 16 like this. Suppose you have 16 numbers. We have given the 16 numbers. So we can write, okay, we can take the numbers also. No problem. Suppose we are taking the numbers, any 16 numbers we can write here. So A11, A12, don't use commas here. A13,
Yes, sir.
12, 13, up to, it will go up to A16. So it has how many rows? One row and 16 columns. Similarly, we can have like this also, B11, B21, okay?
Yes, sir.
B21, like this we can have B20.
16.
Here it will come to 16 actually, so it will be 216. So that means we will have how many rows? 16 rows and one column. So we will study, this is called row matrix, this is called column matrix. That will be the next part, types of matrices. In types, we will study that one. Just now we have to find how many possible orders are there. So possible orders are, how many orders we have, we can say that how many possible factors are there. So we have to check the possible factors, 16 by 1, 1 by 16. Similarly, 2 8 is 16, 2 by 8, 8 by 2. Like this, 4 4 is 16, 4 by 4. So like this, we can write the possible orders. If you have given the 16 elements, 16 numbers you have given, how many types of arrangements you can make for matrices? So you can make 16 by 1, 1 by 16, 2 by 8 like this. So this is also there in your textbook. This is the simple question where we have to find the possible orders. Next type is formation of a matrix. Next type is formation. Then we have types of matrices. Formation of a matrix. So sometimes one condition is given, from that we have to form the matrix. For example, we take one example, construct a matrix. Question is construct a matrix of order 3 by 2. Construct a matrix of order 3 by 2 whose elements are determined by the condition, by the relation Aij to I minus j by 3. So here we have to make the matrix of order 3 by 2. So how we will start? First we will write A is a matrix, let A be a matrix of order 3 by 2, Aij of 3 rows and 2 columns. Then we can make 3 rows and 2 columns. So A11, A12, first row, A21, A22, second row, A31, A32, third row. So it has 3 rows and 2 columns. Now from this relation, we can find the values of all the elements and substitute here. So first we will find A11. A11 means I is 11 and I is 1 and J is also 1, A11. So 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 1, 1 by 3. A11 is 1 by 3. A12 means 2 into 1 minus 2 by 3. So that is equal to 0. Then A21, 2 into 2 minus 1 by 3. 2 to the 4 minus 1, 3 by 3, 1. A21. Then A22, are you understanding? 2 into 2
Yes, sir.
minus 2 divided by 3. 2 to the 4 minus 2, 2 by 3. And A31, 2 into 3 minus 1 by 3. So 2 3 is 6 minus 1, 5 by 3. Similarly, A32 will be equal to 2 into 3 minus 2 by 3. So 2 3 is 6, 6 minus 2, 4 by 3, and A30, 31, 32. Okay, finish. So then now you can substitute the values here. So you get the required matrix as, therefore A will be equal to A11 is 1 by 3, A11, A12, A21, 22, 2 by 3, 31, 5 by 3, and 4 by 3. It has 3 rows and 2 columns. So like this we can make the matrix.